Like I told y'all yesterday, day 2, already, my people ain't let it get in the shop. They already got the goddamn fenders on. They got the fucking goddamn head of panties on. They going hard. Like I told y'all, man, September 11th is the deadline date we trying to make, man. You know, it was a little worse than I thought it was going to be. A little ugly, you know what I'm saying? But y'all already seen it in my team on it, man. And I love my team, man. Like I told y'all, man, ain't no place like Carolina. This is Carolina Cantaloupe. This is the #1 car that got everybody talking. Is he going to make it? Can he do it again? Oh, I think he fucked up. His career over. But no, I'm here. And my team riding with me. So therefore, you already see, man, the body already got them getting work done. I'm talking about straight off the trailer. We ain't getting inside the shop yet. We already outside with this shit. So your boy CC, like I tell y'all, man, this day 2, stay down. We coming up, and it ain't ever gonna be over, man. Count the low. Watch the make back of it, baby. CC.
Thing cleaned up, firewall cleaned up, degrees. Get it ready for that new front. Should be brand new again, man. Y'all stay tuned for this one. It's that exclusive behind the scenes. I ain't gonna show y'all too much. Y'all gonna have to subscribe for this. We out.
Sweet, ain't funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Yeah. Life been lit just how I want it. Yeah, yeah. Now she talking like she want me. Yeah, ayy. Wave. Look, life been lit just how I want it. Look, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Dolo in my section. Built like a blessing. I look like stressing. I be finessing. Got my muscle flexing. My money stretching. Yeah, ain't sweet, ain't funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Big bands like a main event. Already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite. Boy, I was made for this. Flex mode on gym rat. I been that young legend, oh. Them boys can't f with it. I ain't shy. I'ma let them know. All of my bitches be multiples of 10.
Yes, sir. What's up? 803 WHIPGAMEz. Y'all see it, man. We up here at Spooner's Pro Shop. Dropped in, give y'all this update on Carolina Cantaloupe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell on the right side. So when I drop these videos, y'all get notified. And drop a comment, man, if you're rocking with your boy. But like I was saying, man, we up here, Spooner's Pro Shop. I had to come in, man, and give y'all this exclusive update on the Carolina Cantaloupe. They getting this roll cage situated. So I'm gonna get my boy over here and let him tell y'all what's going on.
Alright, well, working pretty much done with the front half of the roll cage. Got all of our front bars done, our dash bar, the frame connectors. We got one more bar for the halo to make, and then gonna redo the back bars. And then after that, we'll be putting the floor back in, making some seat mounts. Might have to get old CC in here to fit him up in the car, and then make our door bars to fit him. But getting close. Then after that, all the wiring is gonna get redone and lightened up, and make it all a little bit better.
And y'all heard it, man. Y'all heard it, they working. They getting it knocked out. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Like I said, hit that notification bell so when these videos drop, y'all catching them. And we'll be back with another update soon, man. We out.